What is up, guys? John from Whitley Auto Works here, and I have a massive spray gun giveaway going on right now until July 8, 2026. All these prizes are going to one of you guys, and it is free to enter, or you can pick up additional entries by getting a combo pack. Just go to WHITLEYAutoWorks.com and click that shining face you see in front of you holding the big combo pack. You'll get one free entry, and you'll get an additional entry for each combo pack you buy. You'll get a sticker and a random pearl. And if you want to enter for free, guys, just go to the main page, click the giveaway button, put your information in with the email and name and everything, and you automatically enter for free. Any support you give is greatly appreciated. And now let's get into the episode. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got a really cool episode for you guys. Another RUST-OLEUM Colorshift in the can. That's right, there is another one, guys. And I'm just kind of going down a rabbit hole. And as always, I got all my speed shapes, all my friends coming along. And a quick reminder, the Whitley Auto Works massive spray gun giveaway is now live. So definitely go get your entries in. Pick you up a sticker pack so that you can increase your odds and everything else and have some fun with that and support the channel. And yeah, just a fun giveaway. We'll run it for 30 days and then we'll go live and we'll pick some winners. And there's tons of prizes, guys, so definitely go check that out. And yeah, let me show you what I'm spraying with today. Now this right here is RUST-OLEUM Colorshift in a can Iridescent Shimmer. Now it looks much like a rainbow flake. I've done another one of these in the past. There's two cans that look very, very similar. But we're going to figure out today what it'll do over all these different colors and of course over black, because these are always meant to be sprayed over a black base. There it is right there. So I've got RUST-OLEUM white, phantom gray, coral, apple red, sun yellow. I got a really cool RUST-OLEUM orange, Ford blue, gloss grape, and of course hunter green. So various different colors you're going to get to see this nice iridescent shimmer over top of. I think it'll look very cool. And then over that black, well, we already know it's going to look absolutely insane because we'll probably hit it with some 2K clear and take it out in the sun. So at first, I'm going to get all these speed shapes set up, and then we'll get to spraying some RUST-OLEUM Colorshift in the can Iridescent Shimmer. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so Iridescent Shimmer, man, this is a crazy looking one over all these different colors. Man, that white, you see it vividly over the gray, over the coral, the red, the yellow, the orange, the blue, the grape, and the green. And man, really crazy looking color combinations over all of these. Definitely a rainbow effect, but man, very, very cool. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, what else can you really say, right? Definitely a unique effect. All right, let's see what they look like in the shade. All right, guys, so now we got it in the shade, and this is where I think we're losing a little bit of the effect. It is white particle, I think, but, you know, just given the nature of it, out of the shade, you don't really see the same twinkle. It is a little more subtle, and I did hit these pretty well with that iridescent shimmer. So it's definitely a light effect. It's definitely one you're going to want to use for getting something really cool out in the sun. You do kind of catch it a little bit at certain angles, especially over the darker colors, but it does kind of fade a little bit over the lighter colors. But still, nonetheless, a really cool effect. All right, let's see what it looks like over that. All right, guys, so this Rust-OLEUM Iridescent Shimmer in the can is meant to shine primarily over black, and I think it's going to do pretty well, so that's what we're going to hit next. Probably 2 or 3 coats on this just to make sure I get a really good effect, and then we'll hit it with some 2K clear Whitley AutoWorks style to seal everything in. We'll take it out in the sun and we'll see what we got. So let me get my mask on and we'll get to spraying some Rust-OLEUM Iridescent Shimmer. Guys, I don't call any spray out psychedelic or trippy, but man, this thing is trippy. Look at what it looks like out in the sun. I mean, it's just rainbow for days, boy. This thing is an absolute trip right here, boy. Man, that is absolutely crazy. This is one of those you're going to either love it or you're going to hate it. But either way, you can't help but look at it. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so one final shot. We got the whole fleet with the black, we got it with the white, with the gray, the coral, the red, the yellow, the orange, the blue, the grape, and the hunter green. And man, these things pop. They are absolutely crazy. Which one is your favorite? Is it one of the colors or is it over black? Wow, a good rainbow flake never disappoints. And this Rust-OLEUM Iridescent Shimmer color shift in the spray can did not disappoint at all today. Over the black and over the other colors, we got some awesome results, and I can't pick a clear winner. I want you two guys though, go in the comments, let me know which one was your favorite, and rate these spray outs 1 through 5, 1 through 10. And before you click away to something else, please leave me a quick like, hit that little thumbs up. It don't take 2 seconds, and it helps me out tremendously with the engagement and spreading out and continue to do these crazy product reviews and just a little bit of everything I do on the channel. Paint jobs, just anything I can do to help you guys save money, do things on a budget with custom painting and have some fun, I'm doing it. Also, I've got a Whitley AutoWorks massive spray gun giveaway going right now for 30 days until July 8th. and then it's cut off. You guys can enter for free. Just go to WHITLEYAutoWorks.com, click the giveaway link, and put your information in, and you're automatically entered. And if you want to buy additional entries, you can pick up a sticker combo pack, a really cool 5-inch Whitley Auto Works sticker, and a random pearl pack. It could be a ghost pearl, it could be a solid pearl, it could be a Colorshift pearl, it could be a Hypershift pearl. You really don't know until you buy one, and that's part of the fun of it. And all the proceeds go back into the giveaway to help the channel and to continue growing everything, moving it forward. So it's a win-win, and I appreciate everybody's support that picks one up and buys one and gets those additional entries. So if you're interested in that, go pick it up. And as always, guys, I appreciate you always for watching these videos, continuing to come back and show your support. And I feel very blessed to have each and every one of you continue to watch. But as always, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.